Which leads into another hot topic right now, which is tip baiting. What's tip baiting, Steph? On the pedal?
Oh,
Oh my gosh, tip baiters! I heard
tip.
a CNN I read a CNN article, and wow, they're really
Ah,
getting you, huh? You get a lot
oh,
of tip baiters, huh? About
you
every tip.
know, so scared of those tip baiters. No, I'm actually,
Okay,
I
what's
am
tip baiting? Let's start out there.
so tip baiting is when a customer would try to get their order prioritized by leaving a large tip, because with Instacart, when you're accepting a batch, you also see that tip. So a shopper would be more likely to pick a batch that has a higher tip on it. So that's kind of, I think their thought process would be to leave a giant tip, just so their order is prioritized, and then later remove that tip.
Yeah.
So, um,
So,
I'm
like,
so
let's say
sick.
they'll leave a $80 tip, and the shopper's like, "Wow, I'm gonna make
Yeah.
$90 on this," and then
And
like,
then they make like $10.
yeah, then they remove it. Um,
Well, I'm really sick of hearing about it. I gotta be honest, like that's all I hear about, just like being in this little Instacart world is like tip
yeah,
baiting, tip baiting, tip baiting. And I mean, in my experience, it has not happened to me once. Okay. Maybe I'm lucky, call me lucky, but I have heard this information secondhand. So I'm not 100% sure if it's accurate, but I've heard that when you use Instacart as a shopper, at the very end, they ask you, by how much would you like to increase your tip? Or would you like to increase your tip? And if so, by how much?
yeah.
And if it leans a little area where if someone ends up hitting zero, like it ends up wiping out the entire tip. So I
Mhm.
think it's possible that like this could be happening on accident. I think I
Mm,
just explained that wrong, but it's something of that nature. I don't know. I wish I had a
yeah,
screenshot of what that looks like.
yeah,
But anyways, even if tip baiting is a thing, like my tips, people have been so generous right now. My tips sometimes have been more than 50% of my
yeah.
overall
I
earnings
was
for the
looking
day.
at some of your screenshots on your videos, and like,
Yeah.
you
And
go out and you
remember,
make $100, and like, or no, you get like $100 in earnings, and then you're like $60 in tips. So it's
yeah,
like
I mean, and there's days where the percentage is even higher than that, where I've made more than 50% of my earnings is in tips. So it's like,
crazy.
I'm not worried about tip baiters. Like,
Yeah,
screw,
if
like,
it
I don't
happens,
care.
honestly, if it happens, like,
It's
cool.
not,
Like,
yeah, like okay, maybe you'll get burned by it once, but in my opinion, it's worth the risk to
yeah,
take an order that has a huge tip on it, because I think most people are good and
yeah.
most people understand what's happening right now and the risk that the shoppers are taking by going out, that they are actually tipping really well for that.
Also, side note, like, Instacart shoppers there's like a online like community or whatever.
Yeah,
There's no online community for customers. Like, they're not like talking about, oh, let's tip bait all these shoppers. Like,
I know.
they're just families going out, and like, if one random dude wants to do it, then he probably will. But
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
mean,
well, the CNN article though could have possibly given people some ideas, but I really just think the CNN article probably blew everything out of proportion, where every single person that's thinking about being an Instacart shopper is now suddenly hyper aware that they might
yeah,
have a tip baiting situation, when in reality it's like, no, like the people that it is happening to, and yeah, don't get me wrong, I'm sure it happens, those people are screaming so loud that you can't hear the people that are saying like, oh my God, look at this $45 tip I just got along with a stack of masks. Like,
well, I mean, the
come
media
on.
media loves negativity. Media, like, people love, it's sad, but like, people will respond to, engage with, share an article, a video of somebody stealing a tip from a shopper, rather than, oh, a shopper got a $50 tip. They're like, who cares?
Exactly.
They're who
Yeah.
People don't care about that stuff, which is
I
sad, but
know.
that's how our society is. People like
It's true.
drama and stuff. So I mean, they're CNN needs to make money. Those people need to make money, so they'll write an article about one case or a couple cases.
I'm
And
trying to see if I can find this comment about, because I know I just explained that wrong to you. I wish I could find this
oh, at the end,
comment.
like when they check out,
No, about what actually happens on the customer's end.
is that all with tip baiting? Are we?
Yeah, I just like shut up about it, please.
Yeah.
Like, stop. Just stop. If you're worried about it, don't take orders with large tips. I'll take them.